Hello everyone. My name is Pratiksha Bhosle, a final year BTech student from the Department of Cybersecurity at GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management Pune, along with my team members Rushali Chavan and Ishwar Singh Sisodia. We have developed a project Quantum Safe blockchain based honeypot logging system. This project was developed under the valuable guidance of Dr. Deepika Ajalkar ma'am and Professor Meenakshi Sridhar ma'am, along with the support of our HOD Dr. Deepika Ajalkar ma'am and major project coordinator Professor Rupali Partne ma'am. In this video, I will be presenting a detailed overview of our project including its concept, problem statement, architecture, implementation and live demonstration. Main problem statement of our project is in today's digital world, cyber attacks are increasing rapidly. Organization faces attacks such as brute force attacks, replay attacks, social engineering attacks, and automated login attacks. Traditional security systems store logs in a centralized database. The problem with centralized logging is that if an attacker compromises the system, logs can be modified or deleted, which makes forensic investigation difficult. Another emerging challenge is quantum computing, which may break traditional encryption algorithm in our future. Therefore, there is a need for a system that can detect attack, capture attacker activity, store logs securely, and prevent tampering of security records. To solve this problem, we propose a quantum safe blockchain-based honeypot logging system. Proposed solution is that our system combines three advanced technologies. First one is a honeypot technology, second one is a blockchain technology, and third one is a quantum safe cryptography. A honeypot technology capture attackers attract the capture and malicious activities. Blockchain technology to store the logs in decentralized manners and tamper-proof manner. Quantum safe cryptography to secure the log against future quantum computing threats. This combination helps to create a secure, transparent, and reliable attack logging system. The system architecture shows once our system architecture consists of following components. First is the honeypot environment. The honeypot acts as a decoy system that appears vulnerable to attackers. When attackers interact with the honeypot, their activity are captured. Example of capture attacks include brute force attack, dictionary attack, replay attack, social engineering attempt. The second stage is log processing model. Once the attack is detected, the system records important details such as attack type, source IP address, type stack, and security level. These logs are then processed by the backend system. The third part is encryption layer. Before storing logs, cryptographic hashing and quantum safe security techniques are applied to protect the data. This ensures the confidentiality and integrity of the attack log. The fourth stage is blockchain storage. The proceed logs are stored on the blockchain using a smart contract deployed on the Ethereum. Blockchain ensures immutable records, tamper-proof storage, and transparent verification. And the final stage is admin dashboard. We develop a centralized admin dashboard where security team can monitor events. The dashboard include different departments such as SOC department, it means Security Operational Center. Second one is VAPT department, which is vulnerability assessment and penetration testing department. Third one is a support department, and last one is GRC department. It means governance, risk and compliance department. This module allows analysts to monitor alerts, logs and system activities. This combination helps to create a secure, transparent and reliable attack logging system. Now I will demonstrate the implementation of our project. Blockchain logging. When the honeypot captured the attack, the system creates a log entry. The log is encrypted using the hashing technique. The log is sent to the blockchain via transaction. The transaction is confirmed and stored in the blockchain. It ensures that the log cannot be modified or deleted. Dashboard module explanation is that the proposed system includes a centralized admin dashboard that allows security team to monitor and manage cyber attacks log capture by the honeypot system. The dashboard is divided into different operational departments to provide the organized monitoring and efficient incident management. The first one is SOC dashboard. It means Security Operational Center. The SOC dashboard is responsible for monitoring real-time security events and detecting suspicious activity. in the system. It provides an overview of attack attempts captured by the honeypot and displays the important information such as attack type, timestamp, severity levels, and source IP addresses. SOC analysis use this dashboard to identify ongoing threats like analyze attack patterns, respond quickly to security incident. The dashboard also display graphic statistics to security event. It includes the number of detected attack, critical alerts, and resolve the incident. Then second is VAPT dashboard, which is vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. The VAPT dashboard focuses on identifying vulnerabilities and security risks with the system. It provides alerts related to protectional weaknesses detected during vulnerability assessment and penetration testing activities. This dashboard displays the information such as vulnerability ID, detected risk level, timestamp, and system component affected. Then third one is a support dashboard. The support dashboard is designed to manage operational incident and system related issues. It allows administrator to track the support requests, system errors, and security related services. Tickets generated by the user and automated monitoring system. Through this dashboard, the support team can review logs, identify the root causes of issue, and coordinate with other departments such as SOC or VAPT to resolve the incident effectively. Then fourth one is the GRC dashboard. The GRC dashboard is governance risk and compliance. It focuses on maintaining compliance with security policy, regulatory standards, and risk management practices. It provides an overview of risk assessment, compliance, status, and governance policies. The dashboard helps organizations to monitor security risk, track compliance with regulatory requirements, and maintain audit-ready record of a security log to store on the blockchain. This whole implemented system product the following result. Honeypot successfully captured the multiple attacks. Attack log were securely encrypted before the storage. Log were stored immutably on the blockchain. The dashboard provides real-time monitoring of a security event. Alerts were generated for the critical security incident. This demonstrates that the system provides secure and reliable cyber attack logging. Quantum-safe blockchain-based honeypot logging system provides an advanced approach for secure cyber attack monitoring. By combining honeypot technology, blockchain storage, and quantum-safe security technique, the system ensures that attack logging remains secure, transparent, tamper-proof. This system can help organizations to improve cybersecurity monitoring, forensic analysis, and secure log management. In the future, the system can be extended with the AI-based threat detection and deployment on the public blockchain network enterprise environment.